On late model Jeep applications, particularly late model JK and the new JL, you've got even less room than I have here with this Curry Rock Jock to put an axle strap around the housing. This is a setup with the lower suspension link here. I can, and I have often, routed my strap right through there. That's not ideal though, because we've got sharp tabs of this shock mount bracket as well as the outside tab of my lower link here. I can run it through the knuckle. That's kind of a pain to squeeze a delta ring through there. If I go over the cast aluminum part of the housing here, that works fine, except it is kind of a sharp edge right there. Once again, this new housing bracket that we developed is perfect for the front of a solid axle car. In this case, I could mount it there. It would be out of harm's way. I could slide it over here. Anywhere in this region would be perfect for that housing bracket to be welded onto. Over here with my hydraulic assist ram from PSC, I've got some complications for real estate there too, but I can easily, difficult to see, but easily weld that bracket directly to the housing and be able to reach up there with a hook, connect it, avoid the hydraulic ram altogether, and just really make this easy. We can't help you get under your car, but we can help connect the car to the trailer. For more information, 800-666-1586. Better yet, just order these at maxtiedowns.com.